So, I had to deviate from the scheduled programming this week to bring you this. Don't worry, next week we'll be back with our scheduled programming of following a Bob Ross tutorial blindfolded. I'm gonna bring that tragedy to you next week. So something happened this week, but this escalated quickly. It simply started out with me telling my husband, I really need to get my hair cut off. Not just like cut, like trimmed, like I need my hair cut off because this is like all split ends by this point. Like normal guys, he's like,
I like long hair though.
And I'm like, look, you don't have to take care of it. So here we are. I was originally just gonna be a normal person and just go get it cut. But then, you know, I kind of jokingly said to him, like, I should DIY it and put it on my channel. And of course, he was like,
That's gonna look awful. Don't do it. You're gonna ruin your hair. What happens if you ruin it?
now, I wasn't originally going to actually do it. Because you know that thing where you're kind of just like, I'm saying this because I'm kidding, but then I'm kind of not. Like, I would kind of do it, but I'm mainly just kidding. But then I posted something on Instagram about, oh, my husband vetoed the idea of me doing a DIY haircut. And one of my followers, thank you, Andy, pointed out to me, you know, Stephanie, when the house, when a bill is proposed, but then it gets vetoed, it goes back to the Senate, and if 2/3 majority rules, then it goes through. So of course, I took to my Instagram followers. Thank you all 3 of you who voted. It was 80-20. So here we are. First, I gotta brush out this mess. Have you guys ever wondered why girls get so emotionally attached to their hair? Like, I don't know what it is. I want to be one of those girls that says, I don't care about my hair, I could chop it off. But like, let's be real, this is making me nervous. And I've been an emotional roller coaster all week. Like,
you're fine, you're gonna do great, it's gonna turn out fine.
And then being like,
oh my gosh, what if I mess it up and it looks awful and like, what am I gonna do?
and then like,
It'll grow back, it just grows back.
But it's gonna take forever to grow back.
so that's been my week. And I think I've finally reached a good place for now. And I think I can do it. Really, honestly, it just grows back. And when you think about it, it's just dead cells that grows off the top of your head. Like, that's gross. So I'm gonna get rid of that. So I have done a little bit of research on this, and basically what I've decided is you can basically do it however you want and it should turn out fine. I've seen people get
themselves unicorn ponytails, they've done pigtails, I don't know, some people part it down the middle and then put it into pigtails, and then some people part it on the side and put it into pigtails because that's their part. Some people do it wet, some people do it dry.
So basically, I'm gonna just, so I normally wear my hair like in a side part, but I feel like I want to do this with a middle part because I feel like that accounts for the most error. Like if I screw up, then it'll just look like I naturally have layers, right? Because then if you cut it evenly down the middle and then you like part it to the side, which is where I normally part it, then it would just give you a layering effect. But maybe that's what I don't want. How do you know what you want when you do this? Wow, that's satisfying. Now here's the tricky part where I have to make sure in the back it's going straight. How is a normal person supposed to do this? It's crooked, isn't it? Should I just go with it? Okay, I definitely feel like there's more hair in this pony. Now, some of you might be wondering,
Stephanie, why don't you just wait for your hair to grow out longer and then you can like donate the hair?
well, 1, I'm impatient. 2, I really want to have these little ponies to like prank my friend with when she comes to pick me up. And third, like there's this thing where like Ginger steals souls, and I don't want to like put this on a wig for someone or extensions and then not know if like they're gonna steal someone's soul. Like I don't know if this is genetic. I don't know if it's just like if you happen to have red hair, whether or not it's yours, like your real hair or not. And like I'm not gonna be held responsible for that, because trust me, it's not fun stealing souls. Hold on, we need music. Let's part it to the side and see how it looks. I mean, I have low standards. I think it'll look better curled, BRB. I literally just talked to the camera for 2 minutes straight and then realized I wasn't recording. I curled my hair, and honestly, I think it's like I'm adjusting to it. So as long as I curl it every day, I think it's fine. Is it uneven? Yes. Do I kind of feel like a 45-year-old mom named Karen? Yeah. It would not be a haircutting video if I didn't put this to good use. Silas, I'm sorry to take away your moment, honey, but the microphone didn't pick you up, so I'm just going to tell them how you put a piece of hair on a string and made it fall on people. Thank you. Okay, before Madison gets here, I just want to say a few final words. You know, I do miss my long hair a little bit, but it'll grow back. I mean, overall, would I do this again? Okay, guys, she just pulled up. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. That literally scared me so much. It's so cute. So I haven't looked at the back yet, Madison.
It's good. Oh wait, there's a long piece here. We'll get that.
So then we were waiting for our other friend Jordan to come over and pick us up, so we wanted to prank him too.
Honey, I'm home. Thanks.
Not the reaction I was anticipating. And because I said that, he insisted on reenacting the situation.
That better?
Thanks for watching, guys. Next week I'll be back with an only slightly better in quality art video.